The current time is 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. You're listening to NOAA, All Hazards Radio. The voice of the National Weather Service, station WXKA. National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Canadian County, Cleveland County, Oklahoma County and Grady County, effective until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:35 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Newcastle moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: expect damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines. Flying debris may injure people outdoors. Move indoors to a safe location such as a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. Location impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, Edmond, Midwest City, Del City, Yukon, Mustang, El Reno, Piedmont, Chickasha, Tuttle, Blanchard. Repeat, a severe thunderstorm warning is in effect for Canadian, Cleveland, Oklahoma, and Grady counties until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, local media, or official channels for the latest updates. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 3:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for Canadian, Cleveland, Grady, Oklahoma counties. At 2:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Mustang, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Norman, Moore, The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Oklahoma County, northwestern Cleveland County, and northeastern Grady County in central Oklahoma until 3:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Mustang, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Oklahoma City, Moore, Norman, Mustang, Valley Brook, and Newcastle.